Let's talk a little bit more about annotation as well as paper space and model space and things like that. So I got this drawing here that looks like it needs dimensions. Okay, got my layers set to dimensions. I'm going to go into model space and see that this is clearly all modeled in model space. Alright, so at this point I'm going to place dimensions on here. These are the different tools that we have. You got the smart one where you can just pick away and it determines it on its own, as well as linear, baseline. You got your radius, your diameter, and geometric frames and things like that. So let's do a smart one. So here I'm going to place a dimension on the end point here to the center point here. Okay, I'm also going to place one from this same endpoint to the same center but down this direction. Let's also place a radius. I also want to change that the center mark doesn't show up on just this particular dimension, so I would grab it and just turn that off. So you can individually set upon your selection here overrides to your styles and colors and things like that. So let's continue to dimension this here. Let's place another dimension going from this endpoint here to this one here, and another measuring the overall size. Let's also get a radius here and also do the same thing. Turn that one off. Okay, so it looks like we have a part here with some dimensions on it. So now if I was to go and update and make changes to this, I can just go to the modeling section and I'm going to stretch this bracket, including the hole, up an inch. So I will use relative coordinates just like in AutoCAD. As you can see, that's clearly different. If I go to sheet now, you'll notice that these dimensions also adjusted with it, as well as this one here. So they did actually change scale. So there is some sort of parametric relation when you place annotation on paper space and the objects are in model space. So there is that clear advantage as well.